What's up, everybody? My name is D. Welcome to Q Tech. And today I'm gonna show you how you can make bounce animation with HTML and CSS. And this day we are dealing with front end design. And I'm just start and showing some of things that you have to know, like the basic you have to know before you start. So today I'm going to show you in this video how you can bounce a word or the figure. Let me show you how it is. This is the bounce cube, like this is the figure. You see when you put your pointer, like now it's bouncing, but when you put your pointer on bounce word, like this is bounce animation word, like it's bounce, you see it's bounce. So let me show you how to do it. You make sure just you click on subscribe and bell icon to see the new notification of the new video, and let's start. Let's go. You just open your editor. Me, I'm using Flutter Studio Code. Maybe you're using other editor, I don't know. So this is the few code of studying. So let's start. The first thing you have to do is to create div. Of course, div. In this div, you have to create the class called container, and do like this, and you come back right here, and you say h1 class text. So we're gonna first create that text. So let's say bounce animation. It's better you start with the capital letter so it looks good, and the close. And the next div, it's gonna be the box, that box that I show you guys, and the box class, and the class is gonna be box, of course. And you close right here, and you close, and that's all for HTML. So now we're gonna start with CSS. So when we try to reload the page, let me see. Okay, we'll try to open it. Let's see the output. You see, we have bounce animation word right here. So we're gonna add HTML, but make sure you add this link of this file before you link your CSS, so that your code to be linked to that web page, that page HTML page. So the next thing we're gonna do is to add CSS, this CSS to this. So let's start with the body. Like this. Body gonna be margin 0, padding gonna be 0, the height it's gonna be 100. Next is display, it's gonna be flex, and the align items, it's gonna be center, and justify content, it's gonna be center. Font family, is gonna be open source. Something like this. That's all for this. And next things we're gonna do is to make this class box. Yeah, let's go straight box. And after opening this box, you make sure you add your semicolon and everything. After opening your box, so the things we're gonna add with 250 pixels. Yeah. Then height gonna be 150 pixels. Then the background color is put red, and the margin gonna be 90 pixel auto. Then the cursor, so when you put your cursor on the text of the box, okay, let's say cursor like this. I'm gonna say pointer. Okay, that's all. That's for now. So let's go on the text class. Hover and box hover. Yeah. Open. So we're gonna add the animation to that text and the box. So the bounce, it's gonna bounce 1 second. Linear. So you had linear. Then you close. So let's go to the keyframe bounce. And like this, 20, 50%, 90%. Just need space in the middle. 2. Like this and transform. Translate your word like this, and you put a 0. Then you go down right here. 40%. Like this, and then let's add transform. Here is Y, and the center here is Y, and let's put minus 30 pixel. Yeah. Then you put 70 pixels. So then open like this, and let's add the transformation of 70. Transformation, translate, and Y is gonna be minus 15 pixel. And then right here, let's make the large transformation. Transform, translate, and right. It's gonna be minus 4 pixels. 4 save. Okay, let us see if it's gonna work, and if there is any error, we're gonna correct it right here straight. Everything's working. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video, and please click on subscribe and bell icon to get notification. Thank you very much. Have a good day.